All right, here she is, the Splash Dance from Pollinex. Anybody ever heard of that place? The complaint on this, very little volume. Here it is at full blast. And you can barely hear anything. So we're going to open it up. You want to take a look? Let's start with taking out the batteries. 1 9-volt. Perfect. And screws come out, as all screws do. I mean, it is possible that the screw is stripped on there, and that's why I can't get it out. Oops. I don't want to break it. And after breaking off the post, because I drilled too far, here's what we see. And I'm no electrician, but I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be right there. Do you think it was that simple? Let's test. Battery is on. Power. I don't get any radio stations down here. Being in the basement. I imagine that's pretty typical. But I do have a test transmitter. And if you give me a minute, I can put it on and we can see what we can do. All right, transmitter should be on. It is copyrighted music, so I can't play much of it. Right around there somewhere. Actually, it really doesn't sound that good right now at all. I wonder if there's something else wrong with it. Almost like there's something that should be in there. But yet, there isn't. Well, I'm going to try something here, and I'm fairly certain it's probably not correct. But I think the sleeve that's in here that actually connects the speaker to the magnet, I think that needs to be able to vibrate freely. But I think this is very tight. I'm going to put a drop of oil on it. Not much, just a drop. Maybe 2 drops. Then I'm going to put this back on. Somewhere where it belongs. It should just be in the middle. And then it should just slot in there. But that's still not right. Alright, so now I don't know if this is correct at all. So we put the magnet there and it gets better, right? You can hear something. Now you take the back part that used to be connected and must have broken and is now not. But the closer you get to it, volume goes up and sounds better. Then gets too close, it sounds terrible. So what I think I'm going to do, and I don't know if this is correct or not, I'm going to make a washer. And I'm going to try something. All right, so here's my washer. I made it from one of those sliding furniture seat things. All I did was drill it out, and I'm going to stretch it over the top of the back of the magnet. All right, so we've got our homemade washer, we've got our magnet, we got our speaker, and let's see how this does. Speaker goes on. You can hear it, but not good. And now we'll add our homemade, and I think I'm going to take that and I'm going to run with it. Let's put this thing back together and see how it sounds. We can test it after I take out the bits of the screw that I drilled out and did not pick out yet. I just spent 20 minutes looking for the battery cover. It had slipped under the Variac. I don't know why I have to say this in every video, but I'm an idiot. All right, battery cover is on. Power. Plenty of volume. I like it. So that was the Polynex shower radio. I don't know if that repair that we did on the speaker was, by the book or not. But it seems to be working, and it works well enough for me. So I'm going to take that as a victory. It can't go into service. Need to put a gasket on there. But other than that, I think she'd be good to go. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, please like, and if you would subscribe, that would be great. It means a lot to me and the channel. And until the next one, we'll see you soon.